Imagine the buzz of adventure, the thrill of stepping into the unknown. That's exactly what Ahmed and Bilal felt the morning they set out to explore the jungle near their village. Everyone warned them: wild animals, thick shadows, danger at every turn. But honestly, curiosity, it's hard to resist. Once they slipped beneath those towering trees, the world changed. The sunlight vanished, replaced by eerie silence and sounds that made your skin crawl. Suddenly, Ahmed stopped in his tracks. "Did you hear that?" he whispered, eyes wide. And that's when they saw it. A massive, dark shape gliding across the leaves. A python, longer than any snake they'd ever seen. Not venomous, but still, the kind that leaves you with deep scratches and a story to tell. They took a careful step back, and another, holding their breath until the snake disappeared into the bush. Bilal wanted to turn back. Who could blame him? But adventure had other plans. Suddenly, the ground rumbled near the river's edge. Water exploded upwards as something enormous emerged. A green anaconda, as thick as a truck tire and nearly 30 feet long. You heard me. 30 feet. This monster wasn't looking for a snack, but its sheer power was terrifying. Anacondas don't need venom. They're pure muscle, capable of crushing their prey in a heartbeat. Ahmed shouted, "Run!" And believe me, they did. Branches whipped past, hearts hammered. The snake gave a brief chase, then melted away into the river like it was made of shadows. Anacondas usually go after deer, wild pigs. Thankfully, not humans. But that size, just seeing it was enough to change you. They didn't stop until sunlight hit their faces again. Exhausted but alive, they looked back at the wild, tangled green. "We were lucky," Bilal gasped. "Very lucky," Ahmed agreed. And that's what they carried home. Respect for the jungle and its giants. Because adventure is awesome. But in the wild, respect keeps you alive.